Everyone, hello. It's your one and only.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely.
Nigeria, wala. How can my people? Because of this with Okoro waiting happen so because of this Okoro way happen so because I don't want to make sure the name finish because of YouTube wahala. Now hospital not agree one help people again because of waiting happen. Can you imagine somebody they die they go they say they not go help am or because of this Okoro way happen. Okay, one man they sick. They rush and go hospital. Hospital say they not go help him. Say they don't know whether he get Okoro. How now you conclude say somebody get Okoro? All because of that one, una no go help him. Me, I don't understand though. I don't understand what the happen. Somebody they they go. They don't agree help this man. They don't agree help him. See the way his sister they cry. I just feel for her. They don't agree help him. They can't allow this man just me just like that. Or because they don't want help him. Or because they fear. They don't know whether he gets Okoro. My people. This man Nana just me just like that. See the way his sister they cry. Say they carry and go hospital. They say they don't know whether he gets Okoro. I mean, if they go do so test too before they come look whether they go treat him. They can't just allow the man just be made just like that. My people, Mona still reason this matter now. Mona reason this thing now. Africa, when Africa go take better, when we go take civilize, because of the you know say if una your years or kindness now una go carry the thing past Africa people. Oyibo, you still they sick, they will still treat you. They go still treat you, but Africa go say no, they not go treat. And so that man just take me just like that. The other one they gay, his wife too they sick. May they treat this woman, they say no. Say that they fear whether you get Okoro. Me, I don't understand people. I don't just understand. Eh? How you go they fear say whether you get Okoro? Una never even know. Or because una you hear that sickness. Now, he no go hear what again. He no go hear what again now. All of una no want even. I even said that the way that the video, nobody for hospital. Okay, somebody called the second one want to treat them. Now say they even they made the people now, not be even the Okoro again. Okoro day you jejeje. Una the caller can't give una safe. They never even hear and say the person get now. All of una they conclude say the person get Okoro. All because of that one now. Una allow innocent man just meme just like that. The man just go. This woman too, he just meme. He just meme just like that. Okay, see one man now. All because of what they say send drink lime and ginger oh, now they cure Okoro. This one will go drink. Drink this one oh, this one go run go drink. Put your nose for hot water oh, everybody go dey do one. Then this man now come the pound garlic and ginger together. If you see garlic, when this man put for mortar, una know this mortar now, where beneath they call where they pound the yam. I don't forget the name where beneath they call am. They can't use and they pound them. They can't use and the man they pound them. If una see the way the thing big, where this man in America they say for happen. How this man they carry that kind of thing go America? Because me not say that they see that kind of thing no, for even Europe, talk less of America. Then this man begin they pound the thing. As they pound that now, if you see the way the thing many, where this man they pound down, he pound down. This man begin they drink, he begin they drink am. Garlic and ginger. This man pound and finish. He can't begin they drink am. If you now see the way this thing many, how can a normal human being go just carry that kind of thing begin they drink am? This man drink. Let the man be me. What do I expect when I see people they cry? What do I expect before? Enough of all those things is not good. It's not good. Maybe they use our sense now. Maybe they use our HQ. Maybe they use our brain to they do some kind of things. How you carry that kind of many this thing begin to drink out because they say they cure okoro. You don't carry the okoro. All of them are just they drink the many different things. Some people will carry lime and ginger, begin they drink ambo, all the name of say they want diet. You go drink. You go to distress all kind of things for your body there. See this one. You don't go drink ginger now and lime now. You don't meme. You don't meme just like that. That one you go even know say that you use the hand cause a problem for yourself because I never see normal human being you carry that kind of thing begin to drink now. Me, I never see him. That one, oh, you just know say that by yourself, you just meme yourself. But this one will be say person go dey sick. Nigeria no one come help person now. They need to really talk for this thing our leaders I beg. Because this one now don't pass Joromio. Where person go dey sick, they no want treat am. They'll begin to fear whether you get okoro. Now don't want to just see the rain now. My people. How we go do this one now? To see, just see that woman, that man, just like that. Sister, they cry, say, your brother promised and saying, go give him this, go give him that. Now, your brother don't go. Just like that. My people. What would they use our HQ? What would they use our sense? Did they do things? What would they use our sense, my people? That's why I want to do this video. Reach you, I beg. Who see this video, make it share and go everywhere. So that, make you reach all those our leaders. And because this is the apple now, it don't pass Joromio. It don't pass over people. Thank you, everybody. If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. God bless you, people, for me. More and share. So anything you think about this video, you can leave your comment for the comment section. Bye, everybody. Bye.